This next track up we're going to play is one of my old singles. We're just saluting to New Zealand music and salute to Palmy. The track is called Straight Outta Palmy. Now this song is pretty much self-explanatory. It's just check it out on my SoundCloud, Icepro NZ, and yeah, Straight Outta Palmy.
It don't matter where we at, Ice gonna get down. We rock city to city and town to town. Lockdown, 06 you fix, we the prescription addiction, and it sounds like an infection. Great popular.
I found myself looking for my identity through music. I love music because there's no rules. Well, to me there's no rules. I'll make music with no rules. I don't like the idea of being commercial or being shaped to fit something. I always found that what I loved doing was expressing myself however I felt I wanted to.
I invade all space to make them listen, and I ain't do it for the money or fame. It's all love, I just want you to remember that.
Early influences were American because I played guitar first. I played guitar since I was 5. People like Jimi Hendrix and Satriani and Dire Straits, Eric Clapton. They were my first influences, but as I started playing guitar, I figured out that I could hear the notes and I didn't have to read it. I just heard it and played it, and I didn't know that was a talent. I did learn how to read music. I'm not qualified, but I found that hearing it was my little advantage over other people. So as I got older, I wanted to be myself, and I was still trying to find who I was. And I found that listening to a lot of local artists, that's where I knew, like, that's who I relate to. People like Damn Native and King Kapisi and Shea Fu, even Crowded House, all these early New Zealand pioneers that were around. And yeah, when I heard them, I was like, oh yeah, I know what I need to do. Just do my own thing and stick at it.